If you've ever felt like your spark is gone, like you know what to do, but your body just won't follow, MOTS-c might be your answer. This peptide isn't about aesthetics, it's about mitochondria, the engines inside your cells that drive energy, metabolism, and physical resilience. MOTS-c works by increasing mitochondrial efficiency, reducing inflammation, and improving how your body uses glucose and fat for fuel. I love this peptide for women in their 50s and 60s, or for anyone who's recovering from stress, low motivation, or metabolic slowdown. It's also my go-to when someone says, "I'm working out, but I still feel flat," or "I'm inflamed and can't push through the way I used to." MOTS-c is typically dosed a few times per week, and it stacks beautifully with tesamorelin or GLP-1s when energy is low. This isn't a stimulant, it's cellular empowerment. It doesn't force energy, it rebuilds it. When your cells fire better, you fire better. And that's what MOTS-c delivers.